So I got this for my birthday from my sister. It's Iron Man. I like to call it Anthony. I think it's made of nanotechnologies. Let's get to it. They're really making the... Yeah, she wrote this note in the back because it's from the movie Endgame spoiler. Okay, so I got that part done. Just the figure. Yeah, do my toes. So, but we got Anthony here. Making it a little bit hard to open it. It's my first unboxing video, so I hope it goes well. I have like a foot infection kinda, so I have to put cornstarch all over them. So I finally got them out. Stands about 20 inches tall. This wasn't in the movie, but I'm sure it's made of technology. They didn't really get this part right though. Okay, the head you can move a little bit. I think maybe they made him like this so he can hold stuff. He can sit down if he wants, enjoy a cup of tea, or maybe just to embrace a friend, tell stories to at night, maybe kiss. Yeah, it's my unboxing. Enjoy. Or maybe more in the near future. Maybe more people kissing. Hopefully. Yeah. Good night, y'all.